Ever wondered how to transform Midjourney from a photorealistic powerhouse into a digital sketching studio? First, let's talk prompts. Keywords are your best friends. Start with your subject. For example, a whimsical forest, then specify the style you're after. Add pencil sketch, detailed lines, and soft shading. The more descriptive you are, the better Midjourney understands your vision. Next, parameters can fine-tune your results. The style raw parameter reduces Midjourney's default stylization, giving you a more authentic, less processed look. Experiment with this to see how it affects your sketches. See the difference? The image on the right, without the parameter, is more polished, while the left uses the parameter and has the natural, rough beauty that the sketch aesthetic lends itself to. The Stylize, or S, parameter also plays a crucial role. Lower values, like 50, will stick closer to your prompt, while higher values, like 500, will let Midjourney's artistic flair shine through. Tweak this to find the sweet spot for your desired level of detail and interpretation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different mediums to try charcoal sketch, ink drawing, or even crayon drawing. These modifiers dramatically change the final result, opening up a world of artistic possibilities. Finally, play with aspect ratios and zoom levels. A wider aspect ratio might suit a landscape sketch, while a tighter zoom can emphasize the details of a portrait. These subtle adjustments can significantly impact the final composition. So, go forth and explore the world of digital sketching in Midjourney. With a little prompt engineering and parameter tweaking, you'll be creating stunning preliminary designs in no time.